Go! Na, bei mir bleiben! Sanitäter! Der war gar nicht schwer zu töten! Kommunistische Truppen da draußen! Geradeaus! First floor is clear! Get down! German sniper! Good! Now wait for Pavel to get that bastard's attention! Pavel, do it!
Yes, comrade.
Fourth floor, grey building!
He's dead. Good shot, comrade.
Well done, Vasily. Now let's move on. We still have to secure the rest of City Hall. Move out! Potato Masha, run! Mann am Boden!
You poor fascist bastards came out of the just
Lade nach! I got one! Getroffen!
Ground floor is clear!
Top floor clear! The building is secure, comrades! We must prepare for their counterattack! Take up defensive positions!
Stick with me!
Okay, I'm with you! They're starting the attack!
Here they come! Hold this position, comrades!
The Germans are moving an MG-42 to the front lines! Quickly, take it out!
Knock it out! Potato masher, run! Kill him! It's the fascists! Near the mountain! Over to the north!
MG-42, grey building, 4th floor! fascist bastards come on to
doing
it just to die!
Get some cover!
Enemy half-track approaching! Vasily, find an anti-tank weapon and take it out!
Eine Granate! Kommt sofort!
MG-42 gunner moving to the front line!
It's the fascists! Near the fountain! Over to the north! The fascists are giving up their fight!
The Germans are falling back!
Run, you cowards!
Well, fearless comrade Vasily. Looks like our numbers didn't come up today. Not yet, anyways.